haven't they? Bit chilly out there, though. Zoe was putting a brave face on it, and it did look beautiful.
Well, temperatures are rising, actually,
Oh,
Amelia.
are they?
Yeah, it's going to be much milder, but we did have a really chilly start this morning, a frost and
Yeah.
fog as well. So some of the photographs from weather watchers, again, there were lots of different ones to choose from, and beautiful sunrise here. But look at that foggy scene here in Lowestoft. And I've got another one here just showing that frost and the beautiful colours of the sunrise. Now, over the next 24 hours, it's turning milder, but also we're going to have some heavy rain and some strong winds spreading in. We've got 2 batches of rain. The first will arrive this evening. Light and patchy to begin with, but could turn a little bit heavier as we go through the night. It should move through fairly swiftly because we have brisk southerly winds that will pick up into tomorrow as well. And temperatures, well, they were lower this morning. The daytime highs of 8 or 9 degrees pretty much remain overnight. That's about as cold as it's going to get. And those brisk southerlies, a feature of the weather into tomorrow, certainly looking breezy. Now, this weather front here is going to develop a wave on it, so we may well get off to a dry start, perhaps with some early brightness, but this rain will push up from the south and it looks to be heavy and really quite persistent in the afternoon. We're just on the edge of weather warning areas, but that doesn't mean that the impacts of it aren't going to be significant. It could cause some localised flooding in places, and it will be accompanied by a freshening southerly wind. 11 or 12 degrees, so very mild. The average wind speeds are showing how windy it's likely to be. Wind gusts of around 40 miles an hour possible, and into the afternoon and evening that rain will continue to push up from the south before it gradually clears away. It is looking still breezy on Friday, but with a ridge of high pressure, some fine weather for both Friday and into the start of the weekend. In fact, Friday could really be quite a lovely day. Long spells of wintry sunshine, and temperatures, well, they're going to be a little bit lower, but still mild for the time of year, and noticeable southwesterly highs of around 10 or 11 degrees. Now, looking ahead to Christmas week, it's actually looking like a slice of colder air is going to head in our direction, so it'll push the mild air out of the way. Before then, we've got some fine weather, then some slightly unsettled weather pushing in on that weather front for Sunday, looking a little unsettled at the beginning of next week. And then, of course, a quick look at the overnight temperatures over the next few nights. Amelia.
Lovely. Thank you very much indeed, Alex.